Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So I am back with another crochet hair video, so stay tuned. So I'm going to start by taking down my protective style and then spray my leave-in conditioning mist on my hair because my hair is dry, and then comb it very well and then put my hair in a big cornrows.
So I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So I will be using this Afro twist braid in the color 1B, and the hair I'm using is from Janet collection, and this hair is 80 inches. So I'm going to grab the hair in the middle and then cut it into 2 sections, and then I will start doing the crochet.
Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So guys, I used 1.5 packs, but if you don't like full hair, you can use 1 pack or half pack. It depends what you are going for. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.